up in the parking lot 1, which is apparently the harder trail because it gets closer to the actual volcano. So should be 5 to 6 hours. Stressing, meet the ball. I'm sweating and I love it. Lava. Looks kind of fresh. I can't even contain myself. It looks like something out of a movie. Oh my god. Can you see it? It's fucking wild. Bucket list. Check. There are no words for how fucking cool that was. It's probably the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It didn't look real. The color looked just like so neon and fake. I'm super happy with this decision to go hike. Totally worth it and the best way to end my Iceland trip.